Good morning, everybody, and thanks for hanging out with me today. And today we are on our way to Port Canaveral. We are going on a 3-day cruise on the Carnival Venezia. But before that, this video is quickly becoming one of my favorite things to do, and that is Rose always gets like little treats and stuff. And on the way there, I taste test them or try them out. You know, we've done the guessing game before, but she went to Five Below, right?
Yes.
Five Below, and got a bunch of treats. So we have about an hour drive to Port Canaveral, and so I think today's theme was Christmas, wasn't it? Holiday?
Yeah.
Holiday theme. So I'm gonna try a bunch of holiday themed snacks and let you know what's worth getting and what's worth avoiding. So without further ado, let's start the taste tests.
All right, we'll start one that has your name in it.
So Mike and Ikes, are they special flavored or?
They're gluten-free and fat-free. It's called Merry Mix. Mike and Ike Merry Mix.
It's the Mike and Ike Merry Mix.
It's holiday punch, cherry, and lime. I know which one you don't love.
Lime.
Cherry?
Cherry. They're all gross flavors. Punch is gross.
Oh yeah, they are all flavors. Lime is probably the best one for you in there.
Yeah. So the downside of this is, you know, I'll get a sugar rush, then I gotta go sit in the terminal for an hour, and I come down off it, so.
So I got you a lime.
Here's the lime one. I'm gonna try all three.
Good.
Man, these are chewier than I remember. I don't think I've had Mike and Ike since I was, what, a month ago when we were on Halloween? Didn't they have spicy ones?
Something Mike and Ike, I think. And that's the holiday punch.
The cherry one's good.
Really?
Mhm.
Wow. He doesn't like cherry, so that's fun.
Mmm.
You like the holiday punch?
Yeah. So the lemon one, or the lime one was the worst, but they're not bad. They're Mike and Ike's. They got my name in it. How bad can they be?
Holiday punch was pretty good. All right. Next up is the only thing that Mike deserves for Christmas. Coal. Sour Patch Kids Coal, black raspberry flavored. I think I got this for you for. Did I get this for you for Christmas last year?
I don't know.
Or didn't? Here's your coal.
Little black coal. Those are good. Oh, turn my tongue black. Started to.
Oh yeah. All right, next we're gonna do Kit Kat peppermint stick.
Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that.
Kit Kat bar. There you go.
Fun colored, white with sprinkles. No.
I like how you decided you like it, so you gave it back. Wow.
What flavor is that? That was
Peppermint stick.
See, I don't like peppermint, but that was good.
Yeah, all kinds of. All right, so this is cute. This is Sour Patch Kids, Santa and Elves. It has little green elf kids and red Santa big kids. Oh my gosh. There's a big kid.
Are they all the same flavor?
Doesn't say. I'm assuming the big kids are one flavor and the little kids are another flavor.
I don't know what flavor that is. Here's a little kid. Normal sized.
A little
I feel like that one was lime. Lemon lime.
gross.
Give me another one. Let me just see.
Which one?
Give me another green one, because at least I can tell what that one was. Sorry. Yeah, I think that's lemon lime. Give me a red one, please.
Since you said it's so nice. That's so nice.
I realized I was demanding, so sorry. I really can't tell what flavor that is. The green ones were lime. It's almost like it's flavorless.
That's weird.
It's like it's sour, obviously, but I don't know.
All right.
I don't know. I like of the two Sour Patch Kids, I like the coal one better. The black raspberry.
You're ever gonna do Dunkin' box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. See what I did there?
Mm-hmm. That was very punny.
But you are gonna know what you're gonna get because there's only 2 flavors in here. So the 2 flavors are brownie batter and cookie butter.
Both sound good.
Brownies, girl. Which one do you want to try first?
Surprised me. We'll make it a guessing game. Gotta spice it up.
Oh, like I said, please hold while I unwrap. They come wrapped individually. There you go.
That's what it looks like. Mmm. Brownie. Huh.
Do the next one and then you can tell.
That one's really good. You don't like brownies?
No, you know that.
I don't even know you.
I avoid things brownie. You know this. It's like burnt chocolate. There you go.
I'm always worried I drop chocolate on me. And here's the butter one?
I didn't say which one it was.
That one's delicious. That one tastes like the little cookies you get on the airplane, the Delta.
So you think the first one's brownie?
The first one was brownie. That was good. They were both really good. The butter one was better, but the brownie one was good too.
For how big the box is, they really don't give you that many. There's only... only 8 total.
How much? It was $5 below, so it was like
$5.
What, $5. But they're really good. Like the butter. What's the butter one?
It's cookie butter.
Cookie butter was like very smooth and it was very good. Man, that was good.
It is a cute box.
What are those cookies?
The Biscoff.
Biscoff. That's what it tastes like. A chocolate covered Biscoff. It was delicious.
So these are the Elf on the Shelf cake bites, and I guess you can write, the Scout Elf can write a message on the actual package. There's a little spot for a message, and they have little ideas on the back of how you can set it up with your Scout Elf. We don't have an elf, we just have stomachs. That is cute though, see? Little message, it says Scout Elf's message.
You break one in half, so I'm not, I don't want to like.
I think it's 2.
Oh,
it's 1. Oh, wait. Oh, you don't need to break it in half.
Oh, that's
like,
cute.
It's like 3. It's little. That's. I like the crunchies.
It's kind of brownie-esque.
I wouldn't go out and buy it to eat it.
Is that hot chocolate and marshmallow? Is that what the flavor is?
Hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa Cakebites.
Those are good too.
Want a piece?
Do you want it?
No.
All right, I'll eat it.
We're doing Takis again. Ever since we did the Takis, now Mike's obsessed. Obsessed with Takis.
They're gross, but in a good way. Like, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it.
So this is Emerald Heat, and it has alphabet on it.
What's the flavor though? Like
I just said Emerald Heat.
I know, but doesn't it say like cucumber lime or something?
It says habanero and cucumber.
Habanero and cucumber.
It's been approved by the wizard. It says right there. Very important.
I should have brought a bottle of water. I just thought about that.
Like, you always do. I'm surprised. I have a drink for you next, though.
Well,
I like cucumber flavor, though.
those are good. Those are better than the chili and lime one, like the regular Takis.
I like these. They're like, the cucumber adds some coolness, but the habanero makes it hot. It's almost like when you dip buffalo wings in ranch, but better.
Yeah, it is good. I like those. Those are my new favorite Takis. And because of the wizard approved.
Don't look over here.
Hopefully it's not like the plastic one. That one was horrible, whatever that plastic one was that we had.
Nature, winter keys. Ah! Ow!
That drink's been sitting for like a year now too, so I'm sure it's not. All right, bottoms up. Wow. I don't want to drink the plastic. Is that like cinnamon? Like hot pepper, the little red cinnamon candies, Red Hots?
No.
Okay.
Oh, I see why you think that. I smell it.
It smells cinnamony.
Ready to see what it is?
It's not Red Hots?
No. It does smell like them, though.
Okay.
Whoever makes these is really bad at,
That's pumpkin pie?
Yeah.
No.
I know it smells like Red Hots.
That is no way. No, that's like pumpkin pie. Unless they're trying to go with like the nutmeg or the pumpkin spice in pumpkin pie, but no, that does not taste like.
Y'all get your fixins.
That's an avoid. Unless you like Red Hots.
Do you like Red Hots?
No, not that much. Not to drink liquid ones. That was gross.
Have we had one yet that's good?
The melon one.
Oh yeah.
Our very first, I believe it's our first car taste test.
No, the first one was grass and dirt.
Yeah, I think the grass one was good. That was like the melon
Oh,
flavor.
was it the melon? Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Sorry, yeah.
So the grass was good. But, is that it?
Yep.
All right. So, when it's all said and done, my favorite was the chocolate, the Dunkin chocolate balls, especially the cookie butter. Delicious, but they were both good. And then the Sour Patch Kids, I did like the blue, black raspberry. That was really good too. And then of course, the Scout Elf Cake Bites. Those are probably my top three. I would go Dunkin, the Dunkin, whatever, chocolate balls. And then if you like sour, I'd go with the black raspberry. And then the Cake Bites.
Oh, the Takis.
I mean, the Takis are savory. Like, Takis were good, but if I'm looking for, like, treats, I'm thinking, like, sweets. So I would go with those three. The Takis, that's like an everyday thing. We have Takis at the house that I eat, like.
There's a plethora of Takis at the house. Ever since.
But I get, like, the little, like, bags. Because they're such a good deal, like, at Sam's Club. I originally got them because they were like for Halloween, You can hand them out. They came out in little mini bags for Halloween for the kids.
He only handed them out to himself.
Yes, I ended up eating them all, but that's okay. But anyway, back on track. So if you watch this, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. And until next time. Well, if you watch my video after this one, it's probably going to be on the cruise. So we're getting ready to go on the Venecia. Like I said, it's a 3-day cruise. So we're going to Celebration Key, but we're not getting off the ship. We were there a couple months ago. This is our first cruise in like 3 months. I think 4 months. August.
It's
September. October, November. It's about 3 months. So we were at Celebration Key last on the Carnival Glory. If you want to see that video, I'll put the link down below. This one, we're not going to get off the ship. So we're just kind of just a relaxing cruise for the holidays. It was one of the more inexpensive 3-day cruises, so Rose doesn't have to miss work. But if you made it this far, appreciate you guys watching, and hope you guys have a great day. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.